Alright guys, I've just finished my website on dropmagic and now I want to add a bundle app. So in my opinion, my favorite is Kaching Bundle. So this is the one I will present today and I will show you how you can customize it and add it to your dropmagic store. So in my opinion, it's not mandatory to have a bundle app, but I prefer to use one since I think and I found that it increases a lot the conversion rate of your website. So I have already pushed the dropmagic website to my Shopify store. So I will go directly on the Shopify tab. I will go on apps and I will search for Kaching Bundle, which is the app we are going to install right now. I will click on the app. So just check if it's the right one. So it should have more than 1000 reviews. So yeah, this is the right one. Click on install. So in this video, I won't show you how you can create the best offer possible, but I will do a video on that just before this one. So on this video, we'll just see how you can install the application and customize it. So I will click on install. Perfect. So then I will be sent to this page and I will have to choose a plan. So I will click on choose a plan. So this is why also I invite you to use this app, and this app may be more than another one, because you will have 14 days free trial. So it means that if you launch the website, you find that you're not profitable, you can delete the app and you won't have to pay anything. So this is why also it is my favorite and why, in my opinion, you should download this one. So then you will have to add your credit card if you don't have one. So this is my case, so I will just add my card. So perfect. So when it will be done, you can click on approve, and then you will arrive on this page when you can click on activate app embed. You will be sent to the editor of Shopify. So just check on the left that the Kaching Bundle app has been checked. Perfect. And then click on save. Okay, perfect. So now I'm ready to go back on my Shopify store and continue the customization of the app. Okay. I will click on Kaching Bundle on the left, and then I will create my first bundle deal. So as you can see, you have 1, 2, 3, 4 different possibility for the bundle. So for the video, I will choose the first one, but you can also choose the other one. So here you can change the name. The name is just for you, so it's not mandatory to change it, but I will change the blog title. So I will do it I will do it in French because the website I did is in French. So of course that it makes more sense to do the offer in French. So I would write offre du moment, which means the current offer. So you can put the title you want. Then I will see, very, very important. Don't forget to click on specific selected products and select the products you want to use for the offer. So it's not mandatory because, for example, if you have only one product, you can select all products and it will work. But the thing is that if you want to use, wait, I will show you. So yeah, this is where you will customize and you will create the offer just after. So we'll do it in a moment, but just to explain you why you should select the right product. Because here, as you can see, you have some options for the price. And if you click on price, so you can select the specific one. So you can put a specific price, but you can't do that if you didn't select before a specific product on the settings on the top of that. So here, I can click specific. So we'll do that later, but this is why you should click on specific selected product. So then here you don't have to select anything, nothing here, nothing in pricing. So as you can see, you have a lot of different variants for the offer. So this one is very, very nice, but I don't recommend you to use it if you have more than 2 offer, because in that case, yeah, it won't fit very well. Okay, so in my opinion, I would just select the first one for the example. Then you can change the corner, so you can change the radius. So I will check on my dropmagic website which one I have selected. No, so it's not here, it's on, yeah, perfect, here. So it's 4. I will put the same size, so the result will be similar, and this is what I'm looking for. I'm looking to customize the dropmagic, the Kaching Bundle offer to make it fit perfectly with my store. And this is why also I prefer to use this one either and not another one. So the spacing, I won't change them. So after I can change the color. So I will start by the cart's background. So I will pick the color of my background here. So perfect, copy, and then I will paste the code just here. Okay. So as you can see, it's much better, and I will continue with the border. So I will try maybe to take something more dark. So let's check on the websites. Perfect. Okay, click, select, copy and paste. Perfect. Okay, so it's much better now. So you can really customize everything. So you can customize the vertex, the label. So I will customize the label and put it in white. I think it would be better. Then you can do the same with the badge, with the free gift, the upsell. So I won't use them in the example because, as I said, the purpose of the video is to show you how you can just download and install Kaching Bundle, but we'll do another video in which I will explain you how you can create the best offer possible. But just for me, I will change the most popular, which is called, I think it's the badge. Yeah, let's try. So paste. Perfect. Okay, yeah, perfect. So it's much better. Okay, so now it's ready, I can create the offer. So as you can see, you have a lot of options. You can add volume discount bundle with other products, subscriptions, progressive gifts, sticky add to cart. So I won't do that for the video, but you can also personalize the offer a lot. So I will change the first offer. So I just have to, so I don't remember the name of the product because I gave it a name. So let's find the name of the product. Okay, so it's Clear Eye. So I will copy and paste the name. Okay, one Clear Eye. Then I can change the subtitles. I will put it in French. So I will put livraison suivi et sécurisé offerte, which means free and secure delivery. Okay, so it's too long, so I will remove sécurisé. Perfect. Okay, perfect. It's nice like that. So then I can change the price if I want. So this is what I showed you like 2 minutes ago. Specific one, so I will put 29.90. Perfect. Okay, and then, so here I can add the badge, but I've already added to the second one, so I will, yeah, customize the second one. So here I will do an offer, maybe buy 2, get 1 for free. So 2 Clear Eye plus 1 for free. So it's in French, but you understood. Then here I can, so I would change it maybe after. I would start at the price. So I can click on the price, so discounted, and select specific if I want to put a specific price. It would be 59.90. Okay, perfect. And I will put, of course, 3 in quantity. Here I think I will write the same as the first offer because it will be better. I will remove also the save 59. Yeah, perfect. So as you can see, it's very clear, very net, and it's easy to understand. And this is what we are looking for with the offer. And this is why also, as I said at the beginning of the video, sometimes even if I don't have any offer, I prefer to put Kaching Bundle because it will highlight more the only offer that you propose. So then when it's ready, you can go on the bottom and click on publish, and it will be automatically published to the products. So we can click on preview, and as you can see, the result is excellent. So sometimes it happens that you can't see the result here, so it doesn't work. So in that case, I invite you to go on Shopify, then go on online store, customize, select the right product on the top. So in our case, it's Magic Products. And then just go on the left of your screen, product section, click on product section, and click on add a new section just here. You go on app and you select Kaching Bundle. And in that case, it will work. So in my case, I won't do it because it is already working. But in the case you have a problem, you can do that. And if you have any problem, feel free to contact either dropmagic or Kaching Bundle, and it will be a pleasure to help you to correctly install the application. So as I say, the goal and the purpose of the video was just to explain you how you can download the app and customize it. But if you want to learn more about how to make the best offer possible to increase the conversion rate and to increase the AOV, you can watch the next videos, and it's going to be very interesting for you.